This is Vaish. So today, Friday, we'll do the Plum series for Science and Tech, April 21. Today is this National Civil Services Day also. And if you have not seen the previous lectures and previous episodes, please go and watch it. And if you don't know how to watch the videos, just WhatsApp me in this particular number. Then we'll guide you to start from scratch from the foundation videos. Okay. And as of now, class 6th NCRT got completed this week. Sociology NCRT one textbook is over and second textbook is going on. Lakshmikant in Hindi is going to get completed around the 75th chapter we have reached. And then this history also we have done till class 6, 7, 8 is done. Class 9 is going on now. Okay. And economics class 9, English is also going on. So if you go and comment and like under that video, we will again do the remaining chapters also. So first question for today, India's largest helicopter manufacturing unit was opened recently at, okay, in the state you have to tell, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan or Karnataka. Where is India's largest helicopter manufacturing unit opened recently? Okay, it was very recent in the current affairs in February month. So you are supposed to know this. So here answer is D, Karnataka. Okay. PM Modi laid the foundation of this thing in 2016 and now it is getting completed. The unit will produce more than 1,000 helicopters and make India self-reliant on helicopters. Recently, 15 LCH, that is light combat helicopters, were provided to the Indian Air Force and the Indian Army. But the requirement we have is 160. The unit will be administered by HAL, which is Hindustan Aeronautic Limited. And this current HAL complex functioning in Bangalore is overloaded. That is why we need a new unit and that is what is done in again in the same Karnataka only. Okay, so it will manufacture 1,000 helicopters in 20 years. Every year the unit will manufacture 30 helicopters. Later the number will be increased to 60. So because we are just having one unit and we are slowly doing this Make in India concept, the numbers are less, but as and when the years go by, the production units will increase and we will be able to even export a lot of helicopters to outsiders. Okay. So like that, this is about the facility, like it will give employment to people, there will be contribution from rich people, like that many things are mentioned here. Okay. Question number 2. The recent frequent earthquakes have helped scientists discover a new core. Okay, the fifth inner core. You will know that we have crust, mantle, core and all. So there is a new inner core being discovered. So it is a solid ball of XXX and YYY, meaning you have to tell which minerals or metals or non-metals, what is the thing. Okay, what are we referring to when we tell the fifth inner core is made up of what? Okay, so options are aluminum or pyroxene, hydrogen or carbon, olivine and garnet, nickel and iron. So which is the constituents of the fifth inner core of the earth, which is recently discovered again in February month? So here answer is nickel and iron. That is, it is same as the existing core only. Okay, only difference is it is more like hard rock kind of solid level. So if you see the fifth inner core is a solid ball of nickel and iron and is the innermost layer. I'll show you pictures also. So far scientists believe that there are only 4 layers. Okay, crust, the that's outer layer. Then we have the mantle and then we have the core, which will have the 2 parts, inner core and outer core. Now within the inner core, they have found one more inner core. Okay, that is what is discovered. So you see another layer in the core, which is 5th layer, which is solid, 650 kilometer in diameter. And this is the total this and all in geography textbook I already would have studied, but still you can see. And this thing, new thing, is about 70% of the moon's size, and it is hottest and the densest of all the layers. This new layer is dense than the other 2 cores, obviously. And the researchers studied the anisotropy of the iron nickel alloy that comprises the inside of the thing. Okay, so anisotropy is used to describe how the seismic waves or the earthquake waves speed up or slow down through the material of the Earth's inner core, depending on the direction in which they travel. So this is the methodology which the scientists use. Okay, anisotropy, which the seismic waves, how it passes through the different layers, and with that only they discovered this, or they are trying to find out more details about this. Okay, so they found the bouncing seismic wave, repeatedly probed spots after near the Earth's center and all from different angles. So this and all is how they did. This is not important for you. Okay, and interaction between the inner core and outer core creates and maintains the magnetic field of the Earth. While the inner molten material solidifies, they release an immense amount of heat. This heat energy, along with the convection current generated by the inner and outer core, creates the magnetic field of the Earth. So you just have to know the inner core and outer core, their interaction and this thing makes the Earth get the magnetic field. Okay. Now if you see the pictures, okay, this is the crust, the outer one. Then we have the mantle. Then we have outer core and innermost core. So this one new 650 kilometer diameter, this is what has been discovered now. Okay. So you should know that this center one is also solid only. Okay, if you see solid inner core, liquid outer core, then we have the mantle and the crust. Okay, so already we have a solid inner core. Inside that, one more solid kind of a 650 kilometer diameter, one more fifth core has been discovered now. Okay, now question number 3. New chatbot called Llama was launched by. Okay, so now chatbot, artificial intelligence, this is always in the news. In your mains also, you will get a question this year about these things. Okay, artificial intelligence. So Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, that is Facebook's company, or Google. These are the 4 popular companies also, which are like competing with each other in almost every field. So the new chatbot called Llama, because ChatGPT already Microsoft is doing, and Google also has one thing. Then China is developing something. Everybody are developing their own artificial intelligence chatbots. Okay, so this one Llama is launched by Meta. Okay, so that is a Facebook company. So Llama is a large language model developed by Meta that is similar to ChatGPT. Main objective is to assist researchers in the field of artificial intelligence. Llama is the 3rd large language model developed by Meta. The first was Galactica and second was Blender. So UPSC sometimes will ask like that. Galactica, Blender, Llama seen in news refers to what? Okay, and they'll put something like missiles, rockets, chatbots. So that time you have to tell it is chatbots. Okay. However, unlike its predecessors, Llama requires fewer resources and computing power. Llama is yet to be released in the market and only the research paper has been published. Okay, it's yet to be released in the market. However, the announcement of the launch was made in grand style, creating a buzz. Okay, because everybody are announcing, they have also announced. Okay, so while Llama works almost like ChatGPT, its main objective is to assist researchers in their work. They can fetch information from the research field, making it a valuable tool. It aims to establish its top position in the world by chats by creating its own chatbot. It loves to monopolize. You know that Meta, Facebook, like when Instagram came, they acquired Instagram, and WhatsApp came, they acquired this thing. So they are going on trying to become the monopoly or the masters in each field. Okay, so same like that, they want to overtake this OpenAI's ChatGPT, which is collaborated with Microsoft also. They want to overtake this. Okay, so that is what is written in the Indian Express. Now question number 4. Which of the following exercises are matched correctly? Okay, meaning the military exercises. Ajaya Warrior, India and USA. Konkan, India and UK. Indradhanush, India and Russia. Okay, so here options are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 only, 3 only, 2 only. Okay, so these are very popular military exercises and these are not new exercises. Meaning it's not happening for the first time and all. Since years these are happening. So you should know like which country India does these exercises with. So here answer is D, 2 only. Okay, that is Konkan is India and UK. In fact, all these are India and UK. Okay, this right side, this is wrong and this is wrong. Okay, because all 3 are exercises with India and UK. All 3 are India UK exercises. One is Army exercise, one is Navy exercise, and one is Air Force exercise. Okay, now that is not what there in the news. News actually, a multinational exercise called Cobra Warrior exercise is held in the Air Force base in UK. Okay, so it's not like India and UK. Multiple nations are participating, and so there, if you see, India is also there. Singapore, Finland, USA, South Africa, Sweden, India, everybody are participating. India also sent Mirage 2000 fighters and this something mid-air fueling, Globemaster. Many things have been sent by India also. So this is the largest Royal Air Force exercise. Okay, Royal Air Force means Britain's Air Force. Okay, so there it is the biggest one, and so India participated. So because of that, I just reminded you of all the other exercises which India does with UK. Okay, this came in Hindu. Now, last question. India's first semiconductor manufacturing unit is coming up at. Okay, same like we told, helicopter unit is coming in Karnataka. Where is the semiconductor manufacturing unit coming up? Options are Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, or Gujarat. Okay. So again, these kind of things, okay, usually in SSC, PSC exam, they keep asking this, like where is the first, which is the largest, which is the smallest, this kind of GK they ask, okay, but recently, last 2 years, if you see, UPSC is also asking these kind of location-based thing and persons in news, locations in news, that kind of GK, UPSC is also asking. So you are supposed to know this, or at least in your mains answers, you can put these facts. That is why we are teaching you. So here answer, first semiconductor manufacturing unit is in Gujarat. Okay, in Gujarat there is a place called Dholera. There they have these companies, Vedanta Group and Foxconn of Taiwan, have come together to build this. Investment 1,54,000 crore. So it's a huge project. Okay, but semiconductor, semiconductor is very important for all the electronics and everything which you have. And there is a process called doping. Okay, doping is the process which is used in this thing. Okay, where they mix certain thing. Okay, like you see, add phosphorus or germanium into this, and then based on your requirement. Okay, these are science things. Okay, which maybe we'll do a separate video. N-type semiconductor, P-type semiconductor. That are different things. So you have to add certain things. So that adding process is called doping. doping. Okay, now currently India, we need that many semiconductors, obviously, and we are taking it from China, the materials. Okay, so with the new plant, we can try to become self-reliant. So as I told, the next 5-10 years, you will see a lot of Make in India projects, and we will stop being dependent on many other countries. Okay. So if you're serious about 2023 exam, right, if you want to see a free test, which from which only I am doing this Plum series, PDFs, if you want 3 PDFs, I can give you free, so that you understand the quality and what you're missing out by not enrolling. Okay. And if you want to enroll 2023, now it's late that I don't recommend you to buy the first pack where you will get these many tests and all, because you cannot do it in 1 month time. Okay. But at least you can do the subject-wise test series. Like history, you are weak means you can get only the 16 history test and revise quickly. Okay, take 1 week time and simply by heart my questions. You will see direct questions coming in the prelims. Okay, or there is sub pack of that is a spectrum, only spectrum modern history, because majority history questions comes from there. Or NCRT, if you are weak, you could not get time, or you don't know what kind of questions come from NCRT, you can buy only that. Okay, or there is geography plus maps plus environment plus science, because these are similar kind of things where topics overlap also. That is why we put it in one package. 18 tests are there, and you will notice that in the exam direct questions comes from this. Okay, then there is polity test, which is based on the 4th, 5th, 6th editions of Lakshmikant, which everything is there. But here we have not given very detailed explanations, because we expect you that every serious aspirant would have read Lakshmikant, and it's no point copying answers from there and putting it in a PDF. Okay, so explanations you have to refer there. We would have mentioned like, okay, this is the answer. Basic explanation will be there. Okay, like why a statement is right or wrong. But after that, the detailing you have to read from the textbook itself. And then revision chart and snippet cards are there, which again, if you don't know, you can type it in the YouTube and search. Video samples are there. Then there is economics and economic survey. There is this important bodies, from which last year at least 5 questions directly came from this PDF only. And then we have the current affair pack, which is the most mandatory, which every student has to buy. Okay, like this one is the latest one. 2023 students are studying this one. Okay, 2024 students, I will launch a new pack soon. Okay, so that you don't have to worry. Only 23 students have to buy this, because your exam is nearing. Okay, and you can WhatsApp me and enroll for this. So as I told, watching Plums is okay, but you have to learn a good test series also. If not YCIS, join anywhere, but solve a lot of questions and previous year questions. Then only you can score 100+ marks in prelims and score or get to the mains level. Okay, so I'll come with the next episode. Thank you and have a nice day.